So class 3, all of you know that I have already given you MCQs on Indian culture from 1 to in the first class I have given you MCQ 1 to 10. Then my second class I have given you MCQs 11 to 20. And now this is the third class. I'm going to give you the MCQ from 21. From 21 onwards, okay? So all of you till 20, I know all of you finished, and whoever has not finished or due to some reason left out, they will do later. They can leave 3, 4 or 5 pages. And whoever has finished till 20, they please start doing from number 21. You please do it. I will keep on giving you the answer. Now the MCQ number 21. MCQ number 21 is, which among the following sex which among the following sex religion which among the following sects was founded by Saint Tukaram? And the options are A. Pranami Sampradaya, B. Varkari sect, C. Rudra Sampradaya, or D. Sri Sampradaya. Please write down the question and the options, then I will give you the answer. Start writing. So now I'm giving you the correct answer for MCQ question 21 is option B, Varkari sect. I have already told you either the correct answer you can tick, you can underline or you can highlight. करेक्ट आंसर को जो मैंने दिया है यहाँ पे ब्लू रंग का बी, वर्करी सेक्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. या तो उसको टिक करो, या तो अंडरलाइन करो, या तो हाईलाइट करो, कुछ भी. ओके, नाउ start writing. Next question, question 22. Now MCQ question 22 is, which among the following Mughal painters is credited for painting Siberian crane and the dodo for the first time? Question number 22 is, which among the following Mughal painters is called, which among the following Mughal painters is credited for painting Siberian crane and the dodo for the first time? Siberian crane एक तरह का पक्षी है, dodo भी एक तरह का पक्षी है. For the first time उन लोगों ने ड्रॉ किया था कौन? Which among the following Mughal painters is credited for painting Siberian crane and dodo for the first time in India? Options are A. Abu Al Hassan, B. Bishan Das, C. Farooq Beg, or D. Ustad Mansoor. Write down the question and the answer and the question and the options. Then I will give you the answer first. Now I'm going to give you the correct answer for MCQ question 22. The correct answer is option D, Ustad Mansoor. Ustad Mansoor was the first Mughal painter, and he is credited for painting Siberian crane and the dodo for the first time. Ustad Mansoor. Now, whoever has finished question 21 and 22 along with answers, please start writing question 23 also. Write down, write down. Now, question 23, MCQ question 23. Which festival is celebrated in North India when Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu? Which festival is celebrated in North India when Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu? And the options are A, Holi, B, Makar Sankranti, C, Diwali, or D, Baisakhi. Write down the question and the options, then I will tell you the answer. Now I'm going to tell you the correct answer for MCQ question 23. Which festival is celebrated in North India when Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Makar Sankranti, option B. When in South India, Tamil Nadu, Pongal is celebrated, exactly at that time in North India, Makar Sankranti festival is celebrated. Okay. Now, whoever has finished question 23, start writing question 24. Question 24 is, which among the following was main item of revenue during Maurya period? A, Bhaga, B, Pindikara, C, Hiranya, or D, none of the D. Which among the following question, MCQ question 24, which among the following was main item of revenue during Maurya period? And the options are A, Bhaga, B, Pindikara, C, Hiranya, or D, none of the above. Write down the question and the options, then I will tell you the answer. First, So now I'm going to tell you the answer for MCQ question 24, which among the following was main item of revenue during the Maurya period? And the correct answer is A, option A, Bhaga. Write down. Bhaga was the main revenue, that's been the tax which the king used to take from the people during the Maurya period. Now, let's move to question number 25. Question number 25 is, who among the following written Manmau Bahrain? Manmau Bahrain. Who among the following written Manmau Bahrain? And the options are A, Aurangzeb, B, Akbar, D, Dara Shikoh, or D, Abu Fazl. Write down the question and the options. Write down. Now I'm going to tell you the answer of MCQ question 25. Who among the following written Manmau Bahrain? And the correct answer is option C, Dara Shikoh. Dara Shikoh has written Manmau Bahrain. Now let's move to question 26. Now question MCQ question 26. Which of the following authorities lays down a priority of inheritance which places the wife followed by daughters immediately after sons? And the options are A, Brihaspati, B, Yajnavalkya, C, Narada, or D, none of the above. Write down, then I will tell you the answer. Copy down question number 26 and the options also. I'm going to tell you the answer of MCQ question 26. The correct answer is option B, Yajna Valkya. Yajna Valkya. Done. Now let's go to question number 27. Question MCQ question 27. The buildings in Fatehpur Sikri are built by using mostly which of the following? Options are A, fired bricks, B, red stone, C, marble, or D, sandstone. Write down, write down. I will tell you the answer. Now I'm going to tell you the correct answer for MCQ number 27. And the correct answer is option B, red stone. The buildings in Fatehpur Sikri are built mostly by using red stone. That is why it is totally red. Now let's move to next question, question 28. Question 28, MCQ question 28. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Options A, Aga Khan Palace, Pune. B, Bharat Bhavan, Bhopal. C, Akal Takht, Amritsar. Or D, all are correct. Write down, write down. Now I'm going to tell you the answer of question 28. Option D, all are correct. Okay. Now here the last two question, question 29 and question 30. ये दोनों एक साथ उतार लो. Question 29. Panchmahal is located in A, Agra, B, Delhi, C, Fatehpur Sikri, or D, Sikandra. And the correct answer is C, Fatehpur Sikri. And the last question 30. Hymns composed by which among the following rulers have been incorporated in Guru Granth Sahib of Sikhs? A, Jaidev, B, Swami Haridas, C, Namdev, or D, Dhyaneshwar. And the correct answer is A, Jaidev. That's all. Write down. The time is over. I have to end the class. Write down. बस ये खत्म हो गया. 30 MCQ था. मैंने 30 MCQ दे दिया आप लोगों को. यही 30 MCQ ठीक से पढ़ना, काम आएगा. Indian cultures. 30 MCQ I gave since beginning. 30 MCQ. Anyway, now I'm ending my class. Bye. See you later.